So kung valid yung arrest warrant that was issued by the ICC, meron po bang pananagutan at kung meron, ano yung pananagutan ng mga tumulong kay Bato para hindi maaresto at saka worse, makatakas sa Senado? I'm talking about Robin Hood Padilla na base sa ebidensya, siya yung sumama kay Bato para makatakas sa Senado. Tapos of course, number two, Alan Peter Cayetano na pinigilan bilang Senate President last Monday yung pag-effect ng arrest kay Bato de la Rosa.
Maraming participation dyan, pwedeng principals to obstruction of justice. Pwede ring accessory to the crime, to the escape, no? Principal, accessory, accomplice yan eh. Pwedeng principal, pwedeng accessory, pwedeng accomplice. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Regardless of anong degree, no? Did you plan the escape together? If they plan the escape together from the Senate grounds, then principal, co-principal yun. If the senators were not part of the escape plan or were not part of the itong staged mutiny or staged shooting in the Senate, then baka accomplice sila, no? Or if they helped in the escape after the fact, no? Sinabihan lang sila ni Bato, mag-i-escape ako ng 2:45 a.m. Samahan mo naman ako sa basement. Hindi naman principal yan. They were not part of the original plan. The accessory yun. But whether principal, accomplice, or accessory, may pananagutan under the law. And if the penalty is beyond 6 years, wala silang immunity. So, pwedeng obstruction of justice, pwedeng alarming scandal, yung ginawa nilang shooting incident, pwedeng aiding and abetting, a fugitive. Kasi, sabi na ng ICC, fugitive na yan eh.
In reality, paano po yan paano mapapanagot yung mga dapat managot? Because we're talking here of no ordinary Filipinos, no? Mga powerful politicians yan. Robin Hood Padilla, naging number 1 senator yan. And you have Alan Peter Cayetano, the sitting Senate President. Paano sila mapapanagot in reality? Assuming na talagang they aided the escape of Bato de la Rosa. Kung lumabas sa investigasyon eventually na talagang drawing lang o scripted yung nangyari sa Senado para bigyan ng pagkakataong makatakas si Bato.
I think for a case in court, dapat may investigation. There's an ongoing investigation now. In fact, may findings na ang local government, no, Secretary of Local Government at ang PNP, binigay na yung findings sa DOJ. No? Now, if the DOJ finds probable cause, the DOJ should file the complaint. Not only in local courts, no, but also with the ombudsman. Because violation nila yun eh. And they are public, they are even sitting officials, no? And everybody else there in the Senate who conspired with them. Kasi may mga nag-implementers dyan. Hindi lang naman yung head security, no? Siyempre, pinagplanuhan yan. No? Whoever else is involved should be, regardless of whether they're sitting senator or whether they staff or even media. If they were part of this plan, no? Kasi nag-press con afterwards, no? Baka there were some members of media who knew about it and did not do anything to report it, then kasama rin kayo sa media. So everybody that's responsible.
Okay. Tapos may isang panayam, may isang abogado ni Bato de la Rosa, no? I think the argument was yung arrest warrant pwede raw i-serve sa abogado. Does it even work? Kunwari kayo may kliyente, si Bato, sa inyo isa-serve yung warrant.
Hindi pwede because when you serve the warrant, tinatawag nila, you have to read Miranda rights, no? You cannot read Miranda rights to, pag nag-serve ka, you ascertain the identity. Ikaw ba si Bato de la Rosa? Sasabihin niya, oo, tinan mo, nasugat yung aking finger. Ako yun, si Bato de la Rosa. Meron bandage yung aking finger. Okay. Secondly, after you identify, And then you will read him in the rights. You have the right to counsel, you have the right to remain silent, and then you arrest. You cannot do that. There can be no substitute for an accused or for a suspect when there is service of a warrant of arrest. So lawyers cannot receive it.
Mm. So malinaw 'yan.
Yes.
Okay. O sige, pero yun nga, pero kailangan talaga maayos yung investigasyon 'no, kasi hindi ordinaryong mga tao yung pinag-uusapan dito. Kunwari, for instance, the likes of Cayetano can always claim that he had nothing to do with it, kahit malakas yung suspicion na talagang scripted ito base rin sa mga lumalabas na mga ebidensya, 'di ba? Hindi naman puwedeng siguro yung OSAA lang yung may kinalaman dito kung sakali man talagang ginawa ito to distract people, to allow Bato to escape, hindi po ba?
Well, ang ginagamit nga nila, and this is so abuse, no? They always claim that they are working or protecting the institution called the Senate, no? But what they have done really is the attack on the Senate was not from these armed men, no? From these armed security guards of the Senate. The attack was internal.
Mm.
From them themselves. It is said that the attack on the institution came from the majority senators themselves. No? So,
Mm.
dapat din, kung iimbestigahan ng DOJ, lahat sila dapat. No? Hindi pwede na kasi umiyak ka, absolved ka na. No? That, you know, they're not claiming to be victims as well. That they and their staff, some senators are saying, but we were holed up here. Nobody cared
Mm.
about us. What about our staff? There was gunfire everywhere. So they are now claiming the victim card as well instead of the perpetrator card. And
Mm.
that should be investigated adequately. But apart from this, separate yung investigation ng particular incident na yan. Ano? What is very clear now is, to me, they should already get together and plan the arrest because nothing is stopping. There is no injunction, there is no restraining order. Uh, Although sinabi ng Supreme Court in the resolution that this is not a decision on the merits, the fact that there is no restraining order is an indication that there is no legal obstacle for the president to order the arrest, and
Mm.
that all has to do with political will and
Okay.
listening. Not only political will, but listening to the pulse of the people who really want
Mm.
an end to this chaos that's happening in the Senate, especially in light of the pending impeachment charges.
Mm. Nga, tsaka bago pa tayo pumunta sa impeachment 'no, isang nakakalimutan ng maraming tao dito, ang tindi nung pagkaka-afford ng due process dito kay Bato de la Rosa, na bagay na hindi ibinigay, actually ipinagkait dun sa mga libo-libong pinagpapatay nung panahon nila, nung panahon na siya
Yeah,
nag-i-implement ng drug war. Kaya parang napaka-hypocritical for them to claim 'no, na violated yung human rights nila o yung due process nila, na actually hindi naman. Na sana nakita natin yung ganitong pag-iingay nung sila naman yung nasa kapangyarihan at sila'y umaabuso nung mga panahon na yun.
that is tama yun, ano, Christian, kasi he's talking about where is my human rights? I'm a victim here of my human rights, no? And the Constitution should help me. And he even pleaded to the president to say, I am a Filipino.
Mm.
I don't. Why will you allow me to be surrendered to a foreign court? No, protect me. I'm a Filipino. He even sings his national anthem or whatever it is that you sing in the PMA. No, uh,
Mm.
parang inciting nga yun eh. Yung kanta na yun was not only asking for support, was inciting to rebellion na ata yung kantang yun, ano. But it is good that nagkataon rin na nag-graduation ceremony sa PMA, and the president had the opportunity to remind the PMAers that there should be loyalty to the republic and not loyalty to any individual. No? So,
Mm.
tama ka. Paano yung human rights violation ng 30 or 300,000 or whatever that, but it is more than 30. It's more than 30. No? The figures have not
Mm.
been fixed, but Human Rights Commission, I said they're probably more than 300,000 versus his human rights. No? And habang nangyayari to, nagsisweldo siya. 6 months, he disappeared. He came just to vote. He's been receiving salary. What about the victims and the families of the victims who are now in The Hague, who do not have work, who have given up their daily wages just to be witnesses, just to seek the truth in the Hague courts, no, in the ICC, no? Paano sila kumakain? Sino nagsusuporta sa kanila? Who is spending? I know they have competent volunteer lawyers, but that also costs travel expenses, shelter, food, clothing, shelter while they're there. Compared to Bato and his family who continue, hindi lang siya. He has a whole staff, nakita natin sa social media. He has a whole staff that gets salaries from the Senate. No?
Kaya nga dapat malinaw sa mga tao rito kung sino yung tunay na biktima, hindi nagpapanggap na biktima.